Venezuelan leader Hugo Chavez has once again accused the United States of playing God. But this time it's Haiti's disastrous earthquake that he thinks the U.S. was behind. Spanish newspaper ABC quotes Chavez as saying that the U.S. Navy launched a weapon capable of inducing a powerful earthquake off the shore of Haiti. He adds that this time it was only a drill, and the final target is destroying and taking over Iran. The existence of a tectonic weapon has never been proved, but its use is often suspected by conspiracy theorists. For example, the leader of Georgia's Green Party accused Russia of being behind an earthquake on Georgian territory in 2002.
Nikola Tesla was a brilliant inventor who spent most of his career in the USA. He was an electrical engineer and produced works which explored the idea of radio and wireless transmissions. He began researching high-frequency AC, first in his lab on Houston Street in New York City and then at a lab close to Colorado Springs. Tesla's early experiments uncovered the fundamental methods to enable practical radio communication. He demonstrated this by generating 16-foot discharges in his New York City laboratory in 1894. Tesla became convinced that wireless transmission of electric power was possible. Tesla invented polyphase electric power. All present-day polyphase systems stem from Tesla's genius. Tesla was able to visualize objects, including inventions he was building down to the smallest detail. His method of working was pretty unorthodox compared to other inventors, as he rarely created sketches or drawings, relying solely on the power of his own imagination to work out details. Something strange that happened to him in his early childhood is flashes of light. These flashes of light were frequently followed by inspiration or solution to problems. Nikola Tesla stated that he had created an earthquake, which drew police and ambulances to the region of his laboratory. This occurred in 1898 and was the result of a machine he was working on. This machine worked with vibrations. He said the following: "I was experimenting with vibrations. I had one of my machines going and I wanted to see if I could get it in tune with the vibration of the building. I put it up notch after notch. There was a peculiar cracking sound. I asked my assistants where did the sound come from. They did not know. I put the machine up a few more notches. There was a louder cracking sound. I knew I was approaching the vibration of the steel building. I pushed the machine a little higher. Suddenly all the heavy machinery in the place was flying around. I grabbed a hammer and broke the machine. The building would have been about our ears in a few minutes. Outside in the streets, police and ambulances arrived. I told my assistants to say nothing. We told the police it must have been an earthquake. That's all they ever knew about it." Tesla went on to say that vibrations will do anything. It would only be necessary to step up the vibrations of the machine to fit the natural vibration of the building, and the building would come crashing down. That's why soldiers break step crossing a bridge.
This is the additional video to show Tesla mechanical oscillator that we've shown in detail during the Westcom exhibit. Just to repeat so you know, this side, it's a Tesla electromechanical oscillator that transmits the oscillations. It can be used to test the strength of the material or to send the signals. The other one is a receiver that can receive mechanical oscillators and interpret the data. These are the patents. It's popularly called earthquake machine, and this is another patent. So again, this is how it looks. And we are going to show the effects of electromechanical signals on these particular cables and the behavior when it reaches near resonant frequency. notice now it's trembling the whole table, and you can see the effect on the doors. This table has two frequencies. It has the one that's trembling the whole table and separate one that affects mostly the doors. This also has effect on a floor and can alert the neighbors, so that's why there's a short test.